Hi guys, so while accessing the folder or a drive, if you're getting an error like file or directory is corrupted and unreadable, so in this video I'll show you the quick fix. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna run this command, check this command. H is the drive name, whatever is your drive name, you're going to mention over here. So basically this command scans drive H for errors, repair them, recover bad sectors, and dismount the drive before fixing. So now I'm going to open the command prompt. So just open the command prompt, run as administrator, click yes, and I'm going to just copy and paste the command over here. Just copy and paste it over here, and this command will take some time. This can take some time, and press enter. So it depends on the size of your drive. So since the my size is not so big, so uh, it will be completed very quickly. So it has been completed. If there is any issue in the drive, then it will fix it. I hope your issue will be resolved after executing this command. And at the end, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.